Hello everyone and welcome to our Excel tutorial series. Whether you are new to spreadsheets or just need a refresher, this video will cover the basics and key features of Excel that make it a must-have tool for organizing data. So the first question arises is what is Excel? Excel is actually a powerful spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. Widely used for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing data, making it essential for everything from budgeting to data analysis. In this video, we are going to take a quick look on the key features of Excel. So Excel is basically organized into individual cells, which are these boxes here, where you can enter data. These cells are arranged into rows and columns on worksheets, and these are individual worksheets, and each workbook can contain multiple worksheets, which helps you organize your data more efficiently. One of Excel's most powerful feature is its ability to perform calculations. You can use formulas to add, subtract, or perform even more complex formulas that we are going to see in the subsequent videos. So let's say there's a data set here that is some students and their marks in a class, and you want to find out that who has got the highest or the lowest marks. So one of the ways is that you can sort them. Let's say you want to sort them from the largest to smallest. So you will data will be sorted from largest to smallest in the descending order, and you can see who has the highest and the lowest marks. Another way is that let's say you want to find out the maximum and minimum marks out of all of these ranges. So it's very easy to calculate to use a formula where it will tell you that what is the maximum marks out of this range of marks. So here we can see it has given us 97. Let's say if you want to find out the minimum, so it's very easy where you can do minimum and you want to find out the minimum marks from this range of numbers, and it will give you the minimum marks, that is 45. Excel also is a very good tool for visualizing data. Visualizing data is easy with Excel's charting tools. You can create all kinds of charts and graphs that help you analyze data in a visually appealing way. So here, all of those students' marks have been plotted on a graph, which gives you a better insight into which student is scored better marks. So this is what's known as a pivot table and a pivot chart, and we're going to talk about this in detail during this tutorial series. It also gives you some pretty cool features like conditional formatting. So let's say I want to find out which all students have got marks that are greater than 70. So all I have to do is go to conditional formatting, and I'm going to ask it to tell me the students who have got marks higher than 70, and Excel is automatically going to highlight all of those students who have got the marks that are greater than 70. All in all, Excel is a versatile tool with endless possibilities for managing data. Whether you're balancing your budget or analyzing complex data sets, Excel has the features to help you get the job done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such tutorials.